What's going on, you guys? This is John Asper Productions here. So in today's video we are going to be going into Newburyport as our Newburyport walking tour. So if you would like to see the videos of Newburyport, always make sure to check them out in my channel. So that's what we're doing today. So right now we're going to go ahead and enjoy a wonderful journey. There's a yellow punch buggy vehicle, and yes, no punch back. So whenever time you see a punch buggy, no punch back, but that is a yellow punch buggy Volkswagen. Alright, guess where we are? We are back at Newburyport today. This is Newburyport 2023. As the tour is going to continue, we are going to be having a single file. Alright, let's continue. Cross here.
Yep, safe to cross.
Yep. We're going to be walking on the Central Wharfway. This is the Newburyport Park, so here we go.
All the tulips, isn't it pretty?
Yeah. It's absolutely a nice day outside today. It's like in the 60s or in the 50s. I want to say it's like 59 degrees outside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, how's the puppies?
Penguin.
Hi.
You got these cute looking red flowers. They look very, very cute. Yeah, I know, right?
It's a nice day for a walk, though.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
Nice fresh air.
Yeah.
The birds chirping.
Yeah. There's some more cute flowers right here.
I like the different colors.
Yeah, different colors look very nice. Nice and pretty. I'm sure you remember this. This is the Newburyport Harbor. Look at this. And as you can see, there are no boats. We have no boats here on this harbor, so that's why the boats normally come in onto even though for the spring, summer, and the fall, even though when the days get nice and warm. And here is we have the Gillis Memorial Bridge, which is known as the Newburyport Bridge, so you can see. Sorry for the trees blocking, but we'll try to get a nice view from the bridge itself, you know. But this is a really, really good harbor in town, you know. We're gonna swing over here. Here we go. Here's a nice view from the bridge.
Goes to work when she feels like. Doesn't she ever get that schedule? No, it's 40 hours.
Let's get a still picture of the bridge right here. All right, so A fun part is we're going to get to ride the boat. We're going to get on Heidi's boat right here, which is going to be a really good ride. What? You're just joking, right?
Mm-hmm. But we can go on the boat. He's letting us go for a tour. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know. This is going to be awesome, you know?
So we can go look at the boat if you want to. You don't have to if you feel nervous.
We're going to be doing a tour of this boat, so...
It's not going to drive anywhere. Do you want to go on the boat and check it out?
This is going to be like a Newburyport / boat tour. We're going to be touring a boat. But here is a nice view from the bridge itself, like I said. This is the harbor. You can see all the way down there. This is the harbor. This is the Huron Jewel boat. We try to get this logo, but this is the Huron Jewel boat. All right, let's stop right here. All right, this is a sneak peek on this boat of the ocean.
Yeah, I did.
This is the Huron Jewel boat.
They said. So what's this for then?
See, this is the whole boat itself.
I wanted a picture of the wheel. I'm confused. What do you mean?
This is just a sneak peek.
A ship person.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we go this way, so you stand here, so you can drive. But you can still see where you're going, and then you have your control.
Pause if you want to read.
That is the strangest way.
It is strange.
This is the whole dock.
Take some getting used to. Alright, we're not going to keep playing with the wheels.
All right, so this is inside of the Huron Jewel boat. These are all your knickknacks and cool looking stuff here.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Here's the map.
Oh hi, someone else is here.
You can see this is the inside of the boat.
Oh, so this is your little.
So this is a boat tour. Never mind.
Why is all this here?
Look at this
It's a
boat.
demonstration of everything, so you can see.
This is your little kitchen. We have your stove. I don't know what this is though.
I guess.
Here's a peek throughout the window.
Take a newspaper as well.
Oh.
Yeah, this
Sink.
is our ship store.
Oh.
You can purchase.
Oh, so it is like a gift shop.
Yeah.
Here's your little bathroom.
So this is our galley here. We do all the cooking. Well, Julie does the cooking. And then you're welcome to move forward too. There's 2 queen beds.
Here's the sleeper. We have a queen bed.
And then this can drop down into a bed if we
This is one queen bed, but we have 3, so here we have 2 more queen beds right here. So this is absolutely very, very nice. If you guys are going to sleep on any boats, always make sure that you call a boat company and making sure that you are getting to you are getting to rent a boat or just like get your own boat itself or take it out to the harbor. So even though here in Newburyport, but this is a really nice boat. This is a 2018 Huron Jewel boat. This right here is the escape hatch. We have these little lights right here. That's looking out into the harbor itself.
You like musicals? I do. Have you seen Six? I have not. I like
Let's get a panoramic view.
Six. Where's the pizza from? I don't know. Our Captain used,
Yep, we have 2 beds.
and she brought it to us.
And we have a little self.
A friend of mine owns Port Pizza. I just wondered if that was Port Pizza. It's down further.
See, this is the company.
Nice.
This is Huron Jewel.
They don't want to watch that, honey.
It's not me. It's just the
I'm
music.
gonna point the camera up so you can
Well,
see.
You're not going to watch the whole thing.
That's just another bed, so
Hi there.
Hi. This is your room?
Yes, this is the captain's and my berth.
Nice.
This is the captain's room. So whenever you're on this boat, always make sure that the captain is here to help.
Well, and you guys are surviving.
Oh, yeah.
Good. You guys must really love each other.
Yeah.
That's
Day
awesome.
251.
Wow.
Wow.
So Heidi, what do you think about this boat? Do you guys like this boat tour?
I do. I love it.
Yep.
It's very nice. Very nice.
Yep. I thought so.
What do you think of the tour, John?
I think I like it. It's very, very nice. So whenever you go out onto a boat, always make sure that you like rent a boat, or you can just like call or give them a call to see which boat you want. If you want to look for boats, always make sure that you find a boat that you want that is more nicer, that has wood, and bring it out to the harbors when you like go sailing. So, but obviously for any parts of the ocean and the harbor, these boats are really, really good to have, you know? So yeah.
Well, we do this season in the summer, but that's in late.
So how do you shower?
I was gonna ask the
All right, let's
same
stop right
question.
here. All right, after a brief stop to look at the boat was really, really nice. It was a Huron boat. It was really, really nice to see the interior, you know, all the parts of the boat itself, how it works. So even though when you go on a boat like this, always make sure that if you want to like get a boat or just like book a boat online. But even though those things for boats like this, you can just like have your own boat. So this is a walkthrough of the whole pier. You can see some of the buildings right there. Here's a look at the harbor. This is very, very nice. Here's the oldies marketplace.
Shout out to them.
Oh, shout out?
Yeah.
Interesting. That's the sign for the Custom House Way. Let's get a full view from this harbor itself.
Alright guys, let's go back.
All right, so people, what do you guys think about Newburyport? If you haven't seen my other parts of downtown Newburyport, there will be a link right into the description above. So if Newburyport is really, really nice, always make sure that you say thanks to Newburyport. So, but even though the bridge is really, really nice, you know. All right, we're gonna end the video. We'll try to end the video when we get to the end of the pier. So you can see these colorful hutches right there. Yeah, they look very pretty, you know. Here we have the Peace Garden. Alright, so I guess this is where we'll end the video because we'll end the video right here at the part of the bridge. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Always make sure. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy a wonderful, wonderful tour of the boat and the Newburyport Harbor. So, peace out, folks.